Mm. Geography class 10. Today we are going to begin with transport and basically it will be roadways. We are going to continue the chapter. Express highway. Express highway have been built to move the traffic faster within the country. There are many such highways. First one is Western Express Highway in Mumbai, Durgapur to Kolkata Express Highway. Third one is Ahmedabad Vadodara Expressway, Delhi Gurgaon Expressway, Delhi Noida Expressway. There are more in your book, so you can go with any two. Expressway, what is the expressway? They are the six lanes highway constructed to ensure swift and smooth movement between important towns. Golden Quadrilateral. Golden Quadrilateral is the largest express highway project in India, launched by former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. National Highway Development Projects (NHDP) scheduled to build 4 to 6 lanes express highway connecting Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. Mumbai-Pune Expressway is the first controlled access toll road to be built in India, is a part of Golden Quadrilateral. Economic benefits of Golden Quadrilateral. This highway will interconnect many major cities and ports. It will give impetus to truck transport throughout India. It helps in industrial growth of all small towns through which it passes. It provides vast opportunities for transport of agricultural produce to major cities and ports for export. It also provides job opportunities in its construction and demand for cement, steel and other construction materials. BOT bought policy. BOT bought policy means built, operate and transfer policy, under which a private company builds a road and has the right to retain and collect toll for a fixed period. After that the period it's over, it is transferred to public sector. Now North-South corridor links from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. East-West corridor links Silchar, that is Assam, and Porbandar, Gujarat. Advantages of roads. Door-to-door collection and distribution of loads and passengers are easier through roads by buses or lorries. Road transport is faster and cheaper. Farmers can move their perishable products quickly to the market. Perishable products means milk products and other which gets destroyed very quickly. Road transport can be possible in every area, even in hilly regions where other transports are not possible. Disadvantages of roadways. Most of our roads are unsurfaced and unsuitable for motorable vehicles. Narrow carriageways, unbridged river crossing are the drawbacks of Indian roadways. Development of road is also hindered by the interstate permits, multiplicity of the checkposts, toll tax, etc. What is Grand Trunk Road? It is a road between Amritsar and Delhi. It is the oldest and the longest major roads. Thank you. And next class we are going to continue with the railways.